Jor, it's ready. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Does anybody want a salad?
Oh, you were filming?
Yeah. Does anyone want a salad?
I ate a small salad.
Do you want spinach?
I did. Oh my goodness.
What? Nightwing?
Alright. Here's your
What?
salad.
That doesn't make sense.
Here's my
Thank you.
salad. I'm getting the dressing. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Hannah and welcome to today's vlog, and hello if you are new. It is September 12th and it's currently 5 o'clock. Whoops. I made some chicken nuggets and french fries a little bit ago for Jordan, Lila, and I. Right now, Lila and I are about to go and catch the horses, and then we are going to film a really exciting video. We're going to be dressing up the horses. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. We're super excited. We're dressing Topper up as a rock star, and I am so excited about that.
You want some watermelon? Here you go. Come here.
Okay, I just gave the pigs some watermelon.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Lila and I are on our way to go and catch the minis, and we're gonna do the minis first. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Not really. I'm gonna have to tighten it. Like a boy. Okay, I just caught Topper, so I'm gonna groom him, and then Lila got Paco. Topper is going to be a rock star. I'm so excited to do this. And Paco is gonna be like a fairy princess, Pegasus type thing. I just really wanted to put wings on him and a tutu, so we're going with that. I've still been loving my hands-on grooming gloves. I still have not used a regular curry comb since I've gotten them. So if y'all are interested in them, I'll have them linked down in the description box. If you have never seen them before, they are curry comb gloves, and they're like my favorite things ever. Hey guys, welcome to the second day of this vlog. Today is September 18th. Pumpkin, what did you just knock over? Today is September 18th. The other day when I was vlogging, I was not able to continue my vlog because after we got done filming the costume video, my SD card was out of memory. I need to get like another SD card for backup, because if I'm vlogging and filming in the same day, I don't have enough memory on the one SD card. I need to work on editing that today. I've already started on it and I'm almost done. And then I also have some eggs that I have to candle today. I have 2 clutches in my incubator right now, in 2 different incubators. My first clutch is on day 14, and then my second clutch is on day 7. If you don't know what candling is, it's basically like an ultrasound on an egg. It's really, really cool. So I'll show you all that later on in today's vlog. I think I'm going to do that tonight. And what else do I have to do today? I have to go muck. I'm going to muck in a minute, and then I have a video that I have to upload in a little bit. I have my GoPro charging because I'm planning on doing a ride with me really soon.
Okay, Pumpkin.
Where are you going? He's a good boy. So yeah, I'm going to go and like eat something, and then I'm gonna go head outside to go and muck. I've been really busy these past few days and haven't been able to muck, so I probably have like at least 2 trailer loads to do. That sweet boy, you're so sweet. Okay, so I made a little to-do list. I have to muck, upload my video, edit, candle the eggs. I have some videos I have to plan out, and I already vacuumed, so I can check that off. So yeah, these are things that like I have to do today. Normally when I make a to-do list, I only put the things that I have to do, not like everything I would like to get done, because if I don't get everything done, then I'm like disappointed in myself. So I just write down like what I absolutely have to do, and like realistically like what I can do in a day. Okay, I just got done eating and washing the dishes. I walked in the kitchen and Mama had made me turkey bacon, sausage, scrambled eggs, and oatmeal pancakes, and it was so good. And so thank you, Mama. I'm going to go and muck the pastures now. It's currently 4:48, and I also have to bring in the horses really soon. Okay, I didn't realize what time it was. I'm gonna upload my video really quick before I go muck. Okay, I've got load number 1 and load number 2. Okay, it is now 6:40. I just got done mucking. It took me about an hour. So I'm about to feed the animals. My mom and Lila hung some really cute fall decorations. I'll show y'all. They put this in the pig pen. It's so cute. I'm about to feed y'all. Just hold on a minute. So yeah, they put that scarecrow in the pig pen, and it's absolutely adorable. And the first couple days, it like kept catching me off guard because I kept thinking there was like a man in there. And she also put these in the chicken coop. I absolutely love these signs. My mom made those, and then she put this wreath in here. It looks so cute. I'm about to feed y'all. Hold on.
You watching Daddy? Alright, y'all back up. Come on. Out.
Okay, I just came in from feeding. I'm gonna go and eat dinner, and then I'm going to candle the eggs.
Hello.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay, I'm about to candle the eggs, and I'm going to write down what I see in each egg. So if there's a blood ring, if it's clear, or if there is blood vessels in the egg. Okay, so like I said earlier, I have 2 different sets of eggs. In my first clutch, I originally started out with 8 eggs, and one of them was not fertile, and then I had one that died early on. The egg was a little older, so I expected some of them not to develop. Shiloh, what are you doing? So I have 6 left in that clutch, and they looked really good on day 10 when I candled them. And then in my second clutch, it's day 7, so this is going to be my first candling with them, and I have 11 eggs in there. So what we are looking for are blood vessels to see if the embryo is starting to develop. If there is a blood ring, if I have one, I'll show it to y'all, or I'll put like a picture up on the screen of what one looks like. A blood ring means the embryo died early on, and if your egg is clear, then it is not fertile. But you don't want to just leave them in there because they can like explode, and then that will cause harm to your other eggs. So yeah, let's go see what they look like. I'm so excited. Grab my pencil and paper. Today is the 18th, and I have, let's see, Friday the 20th is lockdown for my first set, and then the 23rd is supposed to be day 19, which is supposed to be hatch day for the first clutch. And lockdown for my second clutch is Friday the 27th, and then day 19 for those is the 30th. I have them hatching out a week apart. It takes 19 days for bantams, which are like miniature chickens. Your average chickens take 21 days. Okay, I just finished candling the eggs and wrote down what I saw in each egg. Okay, so now I'm going to work on some editing and planning that I have to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, but I love and appreciate y'all so much, and I will see y'all very soon with another one. Bye.